This is a news. I'll appear 5 talking points from March day 25. The news is from the New Times. Fuadi Abedi Bilamahile has been in fine form as his double Imperial sport beat Etincelles 2-1 at Umuganda Stadium on Sunday, April 27, Court C. It was an intriguing match, the 25 of the Rwanda Premier League, which left 16 goals scored across the 8 league centres. The weekend recorded 3 away wins with title contenders APR and Rayon Sports, all winning in Rubavu ya Kiyovu Sport, also the Pim Division FC relegation was. Time support brings to you 5 key takeaways from the match, the 25 games. The Rutsiro FC drama that cost Gatera the job. Rutsiro FC's 5-0 humiliation against a pair of the fans and the rivals smearing something. Officials the home side victory gifted the Rwandan champions goals with goalkeeper and Arnaud Matumele being the worst culprit. Musa Gatela had initially accused his players of international gifting the game to a pair, but his comments were questioned by the club management, which suspended him and Matumele for the remainder of the season due to what was termed as poor performance during Saturday's imitation. Bilamahile rising to the occasion in Gagian's absence. Rayon Sports have found survivors in the shape of Abed Bilamahile, who is stepping into the shoes of injured striker Far Ganye. He may not be a typical number 9, but Bilamahile is improvising so well, and he has virtually been carrying the bruise on his shoulders in the second round of the league. His goal against Muhazi United in Ngoma and his brace against Etincelles has brought Rayon Sport back to the summit of the league. Barring any injuries, Bilamahile could be a wild who could propel Rayon to the title for the first time since the 2018-2019 season. Bilamahile hits Boys Powers Blues back to the stop. Muhazi United in danger after drift to Musanze. Muhazi United now need a miracle to survive after the 1-0 defeat to Musanze FC at Ubworoherane Stadium, so them drop into the relegation zone. Emmanuel Remesha side has a solid midfield led by skipper Joseph Saki and the defense marshaled around Cedric Kubgimana and Marcel Dikume are good players, but the club's attack has been struggling to live up to expectations. Ever since Samsoni Babua was banished from the team for an alleged impasse with the head coach, the attacking department of the club has been impressive. The remaining 4 games of Muhazi are very tough. They will play against Kiyovu Sport and Gasogi at Kigali Pearl Stadium. Title contents appear at Ngoma and Yamagaju FC at Huye. It doesn't look good for Muhazi, and they'll have to go an extra mile by playing above themselves in the 5 remaining fixtures if they are to stay in the top 5. Cattle proving to be antidote to APL's attacking wars. Lamine Barre finished the first round of the league as appearance to score with 4 goals in 15 games. Their attacking line was underperforming as it affected them in several games, but the Cornofti has found a new goal hero in the Burkinabé striker, who joined the club in the January transfer window. The former RS Berkane striker has been in red hot form since his arrival, scored 7 goals in 11 games in the second round. With his experience, Catala has easily fitted into the upper attack and he's banging in the goals. He is the game changer who can proper appeal to the title. Title is going down to the wire. With 5 games to the end of the season, there is just 1 point separating league leaders Leo Sports 53 points and the title rivals appear 52 points. Let's support remaining fixtures include Rutsiro FC at Kigali Pearl Stadium, Bugesera in Nyamata Pulse FC and Vision FC at Kigali Pearl Stadium, as well as Gorilla FC on the same ground. Pearl will also battle Mariners FC, Amagaju FC and Gorilla FC at Kigali Pearl Stadium. They will visit Muhazi United at Ngoma Stadium before wiping up with a home game against Team Musanze FC in Kigali. The remaining matches of both teams are not that strong, and barring any complacency, the title race could go all the way to the last day. Appear have been the masters of the final sprint in the title race recently. They were in a similar situation during the 2021 over 22 season, facing stiff competition from Kiyovu SK, but they prevailed and won the league on the last day with 1 point margin. Again, during the 2022-23 season, they won the title on goal difference after finishing the league campaign tied with Kiyovu SS on 63 points. APR has seen it all before in situations like this, and it serves as a big motivation. Leo, on the other hand, need not to lose a guard, but rather continue the momentum as winning the remaining games, regardless of the scores, would make them crowned champions.